What you see on your screen is a collection of panels. Some, like the composition panel, stand alone. Others are grouped together. The whole arrangement is called a workspace, and it's totally customizable. For example, try moving your mouse between two panels. You'll see a double arrow. Click and drag to resize both panels at once. You can do the same thing vertically. If you hover over where multiple panels meet, you'll get a 4-arrow tool that lets you move panels both horizontally and vertically. To make sure you're seeing the same thing I am, go to Window, then Workspace, and select Default. If it's already selected, click Reset Default to Saved Layout to arrange everything neatly. Today, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the After Effects interface and show you exactly how to customize it to fit your needs. When you first open After Effects, you'll probably notice a lot of things on the screen. It can feel overwhelming and even a bit confusing, so many buttons and switches. But don't panic. You don't need to know what every single button does right now. As you follow along, you'll pick up what you need step by step. One of the main goals in this lesson is to help you make the interface your own. After Effects is a program where screen space is precious. Often you'll find yourself working on something and realize there just isn't enough room. That's when you need to move some panels around, hide the ones you don't need, and bring them back later if you want. It's all about fitting your workflow and your screen size. Now your screen should look very close to mine, and you can follow along easily. You'll also notice there are other workspaces available, like Minimal, Motion Tracking, Paint, and Small Screen. The Minimal workspace gives you just the essentials: the composition and timeline panels. If you're working on a small screen, the small screen workspace is a great place to start. Sometimes you won't need certain panels. For example, if you want to get rid of the Libraries panel, just click its menu button and choose Close Panel. If you need it back, go to Window, find Libraries, and it'll pop back up. In some panel groups, only one panel opens at a time. That's because of the Solo Panels and Stack option. If you turn it off, you can open multiple panels at once, but you might have to scroll more. Personally, I like to drag important panels out into the interface so they're always available. To do this, just click and drag any panel out of its group. The interface will highlight drop zones where you can snap it into place. You can dock it wherever you like. If you want to group panels together, drag one panel onto another and they'll stack as tabs. You can even undock panels to create floating windows. Move them onto a second monitor if you have one, or create a group of your favorite panels on another screen. This frees up your main monitor for the most important panels. Once you've arranged your workspace the way you like, save it. Go to Window Workspace and choose Save as New Workspace. Give it a name and you can switch between your custom workspace and the defaults anytime. If you want to see your new workspace in the workspace bar, go to Edit Workspaces and pull it up into the visible area. That's it for today. Wrap up, now it's your turn. Start customizing your workspace and see how much easier your workflow becomes. If you have any questions or want to share your setup, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who wants to master After Effects. Stay creative and see you in the next lesson. Start experimenting, make mistakes, and keep learning. Every click brings you closer to mastering After Effects.